Hello guys, you're back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2003 guys. The given question is consider the set sigma star of all the strings over the alphabet sigma 01 sigma star with the concatenation operation of strings. Okay, option A says that does not form a group. Option B says that forms a non-cumulative group. Option C says that does not have a right identity element. Option D says that forms a group if the empty string is removed from sigma star. Okay. So now to be clear, they are talking about concatenation with respect to these strings, right? Yes. And this question should be belonging to both the subjects, discrete mathematics as well as TOC, right? Yes. Because they are talking with respect to the concept of a group. Okay. Yes. So let us recall some properties of a group, guys. Okay. So when can we say that a particular structure is algebraic structure? So when can we say that? So basically if you perform any concatenation, so any string you concatenate, if you are getting your result is also a string of itself, so a string of that particular set, we can say it is abelian structure. I think it follows abelian structure. There is no issue with respect to it, right? Yes. So now moving on to semi group. Okay, so when it comes to semi group, the concatenation order, so if I am having three numbers, 0 1 0 1 and 1 1, so if I concatenate these two first, or if I concatenate the other two first, so any order you are going to get the same result. So it follows semi group also. Okay, similarly when it comes to monoid, so we need to have something so that it will generate the same thing. So 0 dot into epsilon, I am going to get 0 1, right? Yes. So it is exactly following this monoid also. But when it comes to group, so to say that it is a group, we need to have something. So 0 1 dot, I need to have something to generate epsilon. But to be clear, there is no identity like that, right? So we can conclude that inverse is not possible for this concatenation. Hence this is not a group. So option A will be the most appropriate correct answer, guys, because other than that everyone is saying some kind of confusing things, right? Yes. So option D says that forms a group if the empty string is removed from sigma star. So if you remove empty string, then how can it be monoid, guys? So monoid is also not possible at that time. But now monoid is possible as empty string is available, right? Yes. Okay. So because why I am saying that is not possible, because what you will multiply or what you will concatenate here to get 0 1, it will be quite impossible then if epsilon is not there, right? Yes. Okay. Yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this, right? So the most appropriate answer should be A, right? Yes. Okay. Yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So if you are having any doubt, please watch. In a discrete mathematics, we are having a group theory topic, guys. So in that topic, these things are explained clearly. Okay. If you are having any doubts, you can watch that lecture. Okay. Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Okay. Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.